For this video, we'll be looking at number 8 on the homework assignment. And under this one, we're solving the system on our graphing calculator. It says we need to make sure we change our window so we can see the intersection points. So I'm going to go to the Inspire calculator now and graph these two equations in the same grid. And remember, we're looking for the point of intersection. As a reminder, we go Home, New Document, Don't Save, Add a Graph. Again, the first one was 0.3x plus 10. And I graph it, and I can't see anything. So I am going to change the window. Menu, Window. I showed in a different video, you can use the zoom out button. I know it's up at 10 because it was plus 10. So I just click once and now I can see it. Okay? You could have changed it manually as well. All right, so now I hit the tab button because I need to type in my second equation, which is 3 over 10. So I'm going to use my control divide button. It gives me a fraction, 3 divided by 10. Cursor to the right, x plus 10. And what we see is that it lands exactly on top of the line. Now that should make sense because if we look at these two functions that we have, they have the same y-intercept, so it makes sense that they both cross there. But then 0.3 is actually 3/10. So these are two different ways to write the same slope. So we should be able to identify that it's the same line. Now, more importantly, when we do get the exact same line, the way we write the answers is we will say that it is all points on the line, and then pick one of your equations. So I'm just going to say y equals 0.3x plus 10. So really, it's everything on that line. When I look at this, I could say that this is a solution, this is a solution, this is a solution, this is, and so on. So that's why it's all points on the line. Now I know some of you, again, don't have graphing calculators at home, so I showed in the number 5 video as well that you can use Desmos. If I go there, I go to desmos.com/calculator, and I just type in the equations. So y equals 0.3x plus 10, and you can see I can't see it here as well. To change the window here, you can click the little negative, which is zoom out, until you see it. Okay? And then over here, hit enter. So that's the red line. And then I do 3/10, and it converts it to a fraction for me. I forgot to do the y equals x plus 10. And again, we can see that that graph is exactly on the line. So whether you have an Inspire at home or you're needing to use Desmos while you're home and don't have access to one at school, you'll see that both times you get the exact same line. And again, when you get the same line, your solution, or the way you write the answer, is all points on the line. Y equals, and then pick one of the two.